There's different platforms for us to make money. So we record the video once and then we split it and upload to different channels. So I'm going to show you how to split a video, upload it, schedule it on TikTok. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherries. We are going to do this using a laptop, and guys, you can upload even for a month if you want. That way you don't need to worry. So first thing first, you go to tiktok.com, you select a video. You have to be in your profile. So I'm going to my folder. This is my folder where the video is. So I just select the video and then I click open. And then once it is starting to load, I go and get the title from YouTube, because this is a video that I already have on TikTok. I mean on YouTube, or maybe you have the video on Facebook. Get that video and upload it on TikTok. So can you see how we're going to end on Facebook, also on TikTok? So when you go down, you see add to playlist. You can create a new playlist folder, or you can use the one that you have. So for mine, it's Make Money Online. If you want to schedule the video, you can schedule it here. But for now, I do not want to schedule. I want to post it directly on TikTok right now. I will show you again how to schedule it in the second part of this video. So we wait for it. It's now on 27%. So it is done. Now that it's uploaded, I click divide and then I cancel this first screen, guys. And then this is the one that I'm going to use, because I have a style for my TikTok videos. So these are the templates that are given to us. I select this one. This is the one, so that all the videos that I post to look the same. And then I click save video. So this is the part where you can divide your video. So you listen to what you want to say and then you just keep playing until you decide where to cut it. Don't cut it, guys, in the middle of a sentence. Make sure that there is a part. And then you drag from right hand side to left hand side, and then you save the video. So this is the first clip that I'm going to upload. So now I'm not happy with my hashtags, so I'm just going to fix that. So I can use the writers and then add another one, ChatGPT or publishers, and then you wait for it to generate, and it must be red, guys. If it's not red, it means it didn't select. And then the next thing, I check everything, I click post. So after clicking post and then it is posted on TikTok. So this is how the video will look. And then later on, I am going to add a description, and now I'm uploading another one. So go back to the same clip. It's actually a video, but now we are going to cut in the middle, because we've cut the first part up until to a certain point. Select the playlist. Now I'm going to schedule, guys. You click schedule. So the one that I posted, it was around, I think 2 or 3, I think 6, yes, because now the next one I'm uploading at 8. So I want to upload 4 videos from this. So I added hashtags as well. So books, ChatGPT, this video, whatever is related to this video, find the hashtag for that, and then while it's still uploading, do that. So ChatGPT, and you can even see the number of this hashtag, and then you can also use @ to say at everyone, so people will get notifications saying Lindy has uploaded a video. You can use something like that as well. So I did schedule at 8 tonight, and then I wait for the video to finish uploading. And now remember this first part, you click divide to edit video and cancel this part. You want this one, edit, and then select the template, and then select the template that you want. You can select any, and then scroll down, because it doesn't accept videos more than 10 minutes. So remember, we started from the beginning up until somewhere here. So it will be good for you to memorize where you started. So I would just say 2 minutes 34, then I know that's where I'll start. So now I've done that, and now I'm scheduling this video. So this video will be uploaded at 8. So let's do another one just for you guys to understand, and for you guys not to get confused. So I select again, and then after, let's just go to my TikTok on my mobile so that you can see how a scheduled video looks like. So I'm just going to refresh so that it can show. So can you see I have a video scheduled now? If I open it, then it will show. So can you see it does say I'm scheduling this today at 8, which was yesterday actually. And now I can create a playlist if you want to create a playlist. So let's just wait and do the next one. So we're scheduling this at 10 because we already have a video at 8. So I'm just going to do this at 10 because I don't have anything on 10. So I normally schedule it at 6, 8, 10. And then during the day, add the hashtags as well, AI, because I did use AI in this video. So that's it, guys. And then I'm done. Cancel that part. and then click select the template, and then choose the template that you want, and then you are done. So I am going to show you again what I normally do once the video is uploaded, because these videos will look the same. Remember, the title is at the top, but then at the top the videos will look the same, so people won't know which one is this one. So I am going to show you at the end how to differentiate the videos. So this must happen after it has been uploaded. So let's do another one, last one, then after I will show you how to differentiate these videos. So this is video number the last one. Actually, as long as it's less than 10 minutes, you can just do that. So let's save. Then after saving, so for this one, we just go back, we did select, and then we just save the video. And yeah, guys, and then it will be scheduled as well, and then it will upload. So yeah, guys, and then let's just go there, and then now we are happy with this, and then we're just going to schedule, and scheduling this the following day. So tomorrow morning, it's usually at 10 when I schedule. I don't schedule late. So I try to get 4 videos a day by just splitting what I already have. So now let's just go back to my phone so I can show you how to differentiate the. So I am now on my TikTok account. As you can see, I have these red blocks where I actually explain. So this is something that you add after uploading. You cannot add this before while it's scheduled. So let me just go to a certain video so that you can see. Let's start with this one. It's blank. Yes, people can see live good, but then I can add this red just to create a format for my TikTok. You click the 3 lines, and then you click edit post. You scroll on your right hand side, and then you will find edit post. So you can only do this once, so make sure that when you do it, you are happy with it. You click select cover, and then after clicking select cover, you click add this, and then you type your title of the video or the part that you are explaining in this video, and then you drag it to where you want it to be. So since I don't have space, I'll put it where it's white. So, and after I can add titles, or I can change titles, or I can just save. So I did save this, and then after refreshing, can you see it is added? But then let's do it on the videos that we just uploaded so that you can see how I do it. So here's a video which I've uploaded, and then let's just go there so that you can see. And then this video, it's what I think probably the last video that I uploaded. You click it, so can you see? Yes, the person can see how to turn Facebook the title, but then from a far distance they won't be able to see. So you click the 3 lines, edit post, select cover, and then choose what you want to say. And then this doesn't last, it's just a title that will show. As soon as a person starts watching the video, they won't see this, so which is good. So I'm just going to say Facebook requirements, and then I will save this so that they know that the video is all about Facebook requirement, and I've been talking about that. And another thing that I normally do on the title, I will add part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, but in this video I didn't show you guys. So another thing you can do, if you forgot, like this one, you forgot to add the hashtags, I can add hashtags from this by just clicking hashtag. So this is another way you're given an opportunity to fix, but you're only allowed to do this once. So I'm adding the hashtags Facebook, and then the next one I'm just going to say Facebook Reels, and then you have to wait until it's generated and select at the bottom. Don't just type it and leave it. So now that I've added that, I can also add mention to say that I want everyone. Have you noticed that sometimes you get some so and so has posted a video and has mentioned you? So this is where it works. So now we just refresh from here until you see the red part. Sometimes it can take a while, so this one took a while. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and also please do book one-on-one class with me. You do need Zoom, so we can do just 30 minutes of one-on-one, and then we can discuss your requirement on what you want to do online, and then I can guide you. Even if you want to create a YouTube channel, I can do it with you. So please book one-on-one. We can do it together. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also please share this video with everyone. Comment, like as well. Thank you so much for watching.